Here you
Perfect. Back to school.
So it's time for back to school, and I am gonna help Fair today pack all her essentials. All the things you need when you pulled an all-nighter, maybe you're on campus for like 8, 12 hours at a time, you look a little bit tired. These are all my favorite picks for that. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about, obviously, is late nights. And of course, concealer is definitely helpful. I'm gonna go with the Rare Beauty one because I find that it's nice and emollient, so you don't really need to do a lot of prep work. Kind of almost has a built-in eye cream feel to it. Get a little bit on the back of my hand. You can also just apply this with your fingers, but I'm gonna use a brush. We were chatting earlier and you mentioned you're a procrastinator, and I feel that because I'm also a procrastinator.
Yeah, definitely lots of late nights, leaving things till the last minute, pulling all-nighters. I'll do it every time.
So we're just gonna put a little bit under the eye, focusing on that sort of C shape under the eye. That's where we get most of our darkness, especially from being tired. And it definitely works on other areas of the face, but I just really love it around the eyes. It's been a long time since I've been in school, but like everybody needs a compact, I think. Like easy to kind of check and see. Like I love a little mirror. The Charlotte Tilbury one's so cute, so tiny, and it comes in these nice translucent colors. I am going to use a little bit to set your under eye and then just your whole face. Okay, so my next pick is kind of biased. I feel like mascara always puts me in a good mood. Just kind of like adds that little sparkle to your face. So we're gonna use a little mascara on those days when you maybe don't wanna go to class, but you need a little perk me up. So we're using the Sephora Collection Size Up Mascara. Go ahead and close for me because you have long lashes. You can do multiple coats or just one. I feel like early in the morning, you just pop one coat on and it'll look great, but you can definitely build. Okay, aside from the nice goodies you have on already, you're running out the door. You're trying to get ready. You're trying to look finished. What do you grab?
Blush.
Yeah, blush.
Of course.
Like, it's just something, even when I'm just wearing sunscreen, I need blush. So I did a little combo here. It's a blush that you can use on your lips as well. So this is super easy to apply. It's from Nude Sticks. Just gonna put a little bit on your cheeks and a tad on your lips. You can definitely blend this with your fingers. I'm just gonna use the same brush we use for powder. It just kind of completes everything. Puts a little life in your skin. So you look absolutely cute. I love the blush. It brought everything together. So those are your makeup essentials. But I feel like everybody needs a little bit of like body care comfort items in their bag, something to kind of get you to the next class and make you feel really good. So it's always nice to have wipes because you can use wipes for anything. These are the Sephora Collection wipes in the cucumber scent, which is really nice and refreshing. You can use them like if you're like at your last class and you know you're gonna fall asleep immediately, take your makeup off like as you're walking back. They smell really good. I can kind of use them to like clean anything. They're just like very refreshing. Like sometimes I just get like overstimulated in class. I just need something to like refresh and soothe me. These are amazing, this scent in particular. So it wouldn't be a girly essential bag without a body splash. I feel like this is the most nostalgic for me. Like I just love a body splash. This is from Sol de Janeiro. It is this like beautiful like sweet fragrance, which I really like. There's different ones like that are more citrusy, a little bit more floral. I just love this one because you can also put it in your hair too if you need a little pick-me-up.
Yeah, I love having any like kind of body spray or scent on me. I was a girl in class, I was like, just because I'm like constantly on the go.
I would never let you go out of the house ashy. So I am definitely recommending some kind of body lotion. This is an African beauty butter, so it's a shea butter base. This one is the Egyptian lavender Moroccan mint. I absolutely love this one. I also love the lemongrass one. And I feel like there's nothing worse than looking down when you're in class and seeing like an ashy knee or something or like ashy hands. So this is a must to have.
Yeah, definitely an essential.
All right, you're ready for back to school. Like who needs pens and paper when you got like body butters and blush and whatnot? If you all want to check out all of our products below, go ahead and shop the shelf and we'll see you next time.